Ah, yes, go and stand in the shade.
Okay, no, I won't, darling. Walk in the shade. That's it. It's like being in Spain or something.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Oh, are you going to video us going in?
It's
mate?
tropical, yeah. It's tropical.
There's a dinosaur up there, Grandad.
Oh, look, there's a dinosaur. Can you see it, honey?
It's plastic.
I need to get my phone out. Do you want to grab your bag, darling? There you go. Dinosaurs.
No.
So what birds are in there then? Are they little ducks? What we got here then?
What noise are they making? Shade a minute, and then we'll go.
Are they Campbells? Huh? They look like Campbell ducks, the ducks you used to have. Hey, honey, can you see the ducks?
Yeah.
And he's like, we got ducks where we live. You having fun, darling?
Behind you, in here.
Right.
Hmm?
Okay.
Let's go and see what's in the cage.
Have a set.
Have a set. Oh, look at them.
Here we go, look.
They're pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Have a set.
Hello, Arlen, darling.
It was extinct in Britain in 1942.
Look, they've got a funny mouth.
Where are they? Oh, they have. They've got like upturned
They've broken
bills. You know. It's probably for scooping up stuff. Like a big ice cream eating bird.
Oh my goodness, what's around the corner?
What's around it? Oh, look at that. Hey, Annie, can you see them?
Lift her up. Let me put my bag down and I'll lift you up.
Wow. God, they must be getting a bit warm.
Oh.
Hello. Look at him. Can you imagine them talking to me? No, hello, Annie. I'm a penguin.
Nice and wet. They like
Yeah.
smell the fish, that's what I can
Can you?
That's a fishy smell. The penguin.
Annie, do you like the penguins? Yeah. I think you're hot and spaced out.
Hot, yeah, we're going to find a bench.
There's another one laying down.
Is he laying down?
Yeah.
Which is your favourite one? Which is your favourite one? Do you like the ones in the puddle?
Look at that one, he's so funny.
He is. Is he having it? Is he got an itchy neck? Is he scratching it?
No.
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 And has he had his lunch?
Yeah.
So Oni wants her lunch.
Should we go and have some lunch?
Phew, can you smell the fish?
Yeah, he smells.
Penguins eat
That
fish.
penguin there, look, he's just sat there. Look, he's just sunbathing, he's having a doze. Look, there's two down here. Got him.
Is there?
Hello. There's three down here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Head down.
Ah, these, I think they might be the babies. And now the mum and dad are coming over saying, what you doing?
Can we go and look at their pool?
I learned about these and
Go on, Grandad, let's go and look at their pool.
Okay.
They've got a pool just up here. We've got steps. There you go, put my bag on my shoulder.
God, it smells like my lunch the other day. There they are.
We'll get one in a minute. We will definitely get you an ice cream.
Oh, they've got some parrots.
We've got to go up the steps. Okay. 4, 5. Hey, look at the pool.
Whoa.
Is anybody in there?
I don't know if they are. They're all sunbathing.
They're not in the water.
Oh, those two are having a bit of a bicker. Oh, there's one over there. He's on his own. Oh, there's one in the water.
Mummy wants him to take photos, but it's difficult.
Can you hear the bird? Can you hear Annie? Can you hear the parrots? They're going.
Hang on. Hey, Annie, look at Nanny.
Yeah.
Well done.
Away for Nanny.
Hold my hand. Oh, who's that birdie talking? Okay. Annie. Find out what his name is.
Is that the one that's whistling?
Yeah. What's his name? You'll have to zoom in on him. He's called the Black Cape Lorry.
Cool.
Oh, and he likes that. We'll get Grandad to zoom in a minute.
Yeah. Don't think you can zoom on it.
No, I mean you can get
Ah, you gotta go closer.
What colour is he, Annie? Red, blue. That's Dave, not the bird.
Yeah. Hello.
Look, it's two now.
There's two. Where's the other one? Look, is he talking? So Grandad, sure, should be getting confused.
I'm doing this sound back to him. He's whistling, I'm whistling back.
Look at his hand.
Where's he going? Is that the bird or is that Grandad?
He likes
Do you
that.
like him? Oh, I'm getting confused.
Hello. He's lovely. Look, Cape Lorry. Hello. 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 Hey, Annie. That bird was lush.
Yeah.
What's in there then?
Pigeon in there
Oh,
somewhere.
pigeon.
Oh, there they are. Crested pigeon.
Oh. Well, we don't like pigeons. We got enough pigeons at home.
Right in the sun here. I just want to find a bench so I can
Yeah.
on can have something to eat.
Yeah. What's in there then?
Red crested toraco and zoom in on this.
And a barefaced carousel.
Really big.
Is he? Oh God, look. Yeah, he's huge.
You see him down there, look, hiding.
Oh, there he is. Do. Up high, up high.
Oh, look, there's a parrot. Going.
There he is. Gosh, hot, isn't it?
It's really hot, yeah, I know, I'm worried about one of you getting too hot. You're drinking. You need a wee-wee, darling. You're getting too hot. There's a bench down there, but...
Yeah, this way, boys.
Out of Africa, we're going there in a minute.
Oh, Africa. Yeah.
Where's all the benches? There's a cuckoo in there somewhere. Oh, jeez, who got the worst part of the heat?
It is warm, isn't it?
What's in there? Sneaking down there, look.
Hey? Oh,
Is
hello.
it? It's
All the birds just sat there like really too hot.
know what it is.
Oh, he's hiding. Hide his face.
Grandad's got one of those.
Oh yeah, this is
garden.
Tropicarpa Fortuna. We got one of those trees in our garden, haven't we, Annie? Yeah.
Goes up and up.
Goes up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Oh, there's a bench. There we go. So Annie, have you just had your lunch? What did you have? Did you have a little bit of chocolate sandwich and apple and raisins, and now you put the lid back on, you full up?
Look.
Oh, who's that? Is that a llama?
Alpaca, is it? Or
Alpaca.
a llama? Yeah.
So we just sat here, you full up?
Found somewhere in the shade quickly to feed on because she was lagging a bit.
Well, I think we're all a bit too hot. There's birds over there. There's people. This is where we are. So there we go. I can pop you up there. There we go. This is where we are. We've just had our lunch. Recharged our batteries a bit. And then we're going to go and have a walk around.
You'll find lots of birds. We've still got lots to see.
Loads to see. Lots to see, Ollie. Are we going to finish? You've got a few more grapes to finish?
She's shutting her lunch
So
box,
finish our
so
grapes.
I'm trying to get a little bit more.
I think that's because Ollie. Do you want Ollie?
Good job, Ollie.
Do you want an ice cream? Yeah. Do you want a
What
little ice
flavour?
cream or a big ice cream? Big one.
What's your favourite flavour?
What's your favourite flavour?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know if they might not sell bubblegum here, but we'll make sure. We'll say, excuse me, can we have a giant ice cream as big as Annika for Annika? And we'll see what they say.
Tiny little grape. It's a little tiny one. She's doing really well with her lunch, Mummy and Daddy.
Yes.
We
Little-
refueled her and we'll all be ready to go again.
That's it, little baby grape.
No thank you, you eat it.
We'll finish off the
Good
grapes.
job.
Wow. You get one for Grandad. Go on there
Oh,
for
it's nice
Grandad.
in the shade, you shouldn't moan.
Damn.
It is like being in the jungle, isn't it? It's so hot today.
There's a few more. Well, we'll finish off the grapes.
A little bit
see
more
you in a mo.
sandwich and then
Say bye bye
our
to the internet.
raisins in the box.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bench. Off on our journeys again through time and space. Another Tropicarpa Fortuna. And then Ash got him.
Where's that birdie? All the birdies are hiding.
Yeah, it's because it's too hot.
You need a wheelie on these.
Oh, there's a bin down there.
Where? Magpie and a
Edward's
pheasant.
pheasant. A magpie.
Hiding in there. Oh, honey.
Oh, sunglasses time, I think.
You know which way to go because you've got.
No.
You can go that way.
Oh, look at those. Hey, darling, look, there's owls.
Owls, we're missing the owls, aren't we? Where is
You
it?
see him right at the top corner.
No.
You see?
Oh,
there.
he's hiding, honey. Can
There's
you
two of
see him
them.
right up there, look at the top. Can you see him? There's two. Can you see him? There's the sun stand against. Can you see him, Ollie? Right at the top hiding. Two owls, can you see their eyes? Because it's too hot for them.
Yeah.
Is there another one in here? Oh wow, look. There's two more. Can you see them right
Yeah.
at the top?
Oh, look. Why?
What are they called? Spectacled owls.
Yeah.
Spectacled owls. You see them right at the
You see him
top?
at the top there?
They're called spectacled owls. You need a wee? Oh. Okay, we're going to find some.
Let him wait here.
You just look in here quickly. Then we're going to find you the toilets. Burrowing owl is here. Oh, there he is, look, he's sat up there, look. He's really little. Oh, clever girl. He's sat on there. They're really small. He's a burrowing owl. He's so cute. Yeah. Two.
Oh, look, perch
He's
right on
standing
there.
really still. Peekaboo.
Oh,
I can see one out
He's
there.
in the window. Ooh,
Oops.
don't shake it because you might scare them. Is he hot? Have I got to go all the way back to the entrance?
I don't know, yeah, probably.
I need a wee.
You need a wee. Okay, darling, that's great. You didn't have to go away.
Right, so we
It's 1 o'clock already.
stopped for lunch. We walked a few, like 20, 10, 15 yards. And then Ollie said, I need a wee. So we went all the way back to the beginning. And he went for a wee. We tried to go for a wee, I don't think she went for a wee. And then we're starting again. So we're walking back to where we were. And it's El Scorchio. It's a bit hot today. So you having fun, Mrs. B?
Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock and we haven't
No.
started yet.
I know, we haven't even started getting around the place yet. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on going. We'll see you in a minute. You see the snowy owl over in the corner there?
Is he closing his eyes? Is he going, oh, it's too hot.
It's too hot.
He's
You see the
resting.
little owl on him?
Resting against the post.
He's having a doze. He's fallen over and he's having a
He's
sleep.
big, isn't he?
Big.
Yeah, our favourite, Mr. Snowy Owl.
What's he doing?
What's he doing?
He's having a sleep.
He's waiting for
Because they
night
wake up at
time.
night time. And at night time they wake up and they go, I'm awake, let's go and get some food for dinner.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one round here. It's the white one. Oh, I can see the flamingo.
Oh look,
Flamingo.
here, pink flamingos.
Probably see him when we go over the bridge.
Do you reckon they got crocodiles in here?
No.
No.
Oh, flamingo view.
I got another one. Yeah, another one. Come on. What we got there? Hello.
There's another one on you, look.
He's
What's he
scratching
doing?
his
Is he going
leg.
to come and look at you? Look, see. What's he doing? He's having a scratch. See if you wait for him to turn his head round.
That
and
whistling,
look
that's
at you.
Grandad. That's me.
Confusing us, isn't he? So you turn around, look at Ollie. Look, you see his eyes. He's not interested, is he? He doesn't care.
He's not bothered.
Come on. Bye bye.
Bye bye. You can look, you see the flamingos.
Way around.
Oh look, there's a sign that says where we are.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Probably see the flamingos a bit better in a minute because they're hiding behind the trees.
Oh yeah.
What's in here, woman? To zoom in because I can't say it.
The cattle egret and a hammercock.
Oh, that's
Look.
a nice cool breeze, Ollie.
Oh yeah.
You want to go back to the car?
Yeah, you're getting
What's
too
up, babe? You hot and
Too hot.
tired? Oh, we haven't seen the dinosaurs yet.
Why should we rush round and go see the dinosaurs? And then we'll go back to the car.
Bye bye, birdies.
So bye bye buddies.
Let's go over the bridge, guys.
It is. Oh. Oh, that's what we need in our garden.
Water, the hot tub.
Oh, that's lush. You just sit in that on a day like today. There's the flamingos. Hello. They're quite little, aren't they?
A nice breeze.
What colour are the flamingos? Are they pink? They're pink flamingos.
Look at
Oh look.
That, you want to look at the waterfall?
Oh, he did a poop in the water.
Look at
Yeah. He did like a dive bomb. He was like a dam buster.
You want to look at the waterfall?
Oh, not bad.
Nice. We'll go to the dinosaurs and then we'll get an ice cream.
Yeah.
Cassowary. Cassowary?
Cassowary.
Where's that cassowary?
Ah, they're
They're
probably,
big ones, I don't know
yeah,
where
like
they're
emus, I
hiding.
think. No. They're
Oh,
hiding.
he's hiding in there, look.
Is he?
Can you
Oh,
see
yeah.
him? He's hiding right in the tree.
Yeah, he's looking at
Just
us.
see a black shadow.
He looks like a
moving.
dinosaur. He looks like a little baby dinosaur.
Oh, what's over here, isn't he?
Oh, look over here. It's an emu or something. God, look at that. Wow.
Funny.
Ollie, look at the size of those birdies.
That one's a bit funny.
Whoa.
He's a bit funny.
He's funny, isn't he?
Look at that one back there.
They're all sat in the shade because they're too hot.
Look that one.
Look at that one. He looks funny as well.
Yeah. He looks
It's
funny.
actually
Yeah,
quite
that's
big,
fun.
this place, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
They all funny.
They're all funny.
The section where you can interact with all the animals, I think, is closed at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him. Is he an ostrich or an emu?
I don't know. I see one there.
I think it's an ostrich.
Yeah. They lay massive eggs.
Yeah.
Someone on Facebook the other day found an egg in their garden, and then someone else they asked, I think it was like Gardeners World site or something like that. And they said, "Does anybody know what this is?" And someone said it's a fox's egg. I thought,
What?
fox's egg? I thought loads of people saying that's fox's egg. Fox's egg. It's like foxes
Really?
don't
I
lay
never heard
eggs.
that.
Yeah. Do you know foxes lay eggs?
I know they don't, honey.
Look this.
No, it's
Oh,
actually
dear.
an egg that a
What
fox
is that, honey?
an egg that a fox had captured,
Has he got
and they
big
bury
feet?
it for later use, eating it at a later time. Foxes don't lay eggs. I was trying to convince
Walking so
Mrs.
that
B
we
that they
can,
did,
yeah.
but it didn't work.
I know, darling.
Come on then, should we go and see the
I can't work
dinosaurs?
out what's so heavy in my bag.
Do you want me to carry your bag? Or your water?
I want an ice cream, you know, we're going to find an ice cream.
Oh,
An ice cream. Oh, we're doing barbecue, we're doing burgers. That's a good idea. Oh my God, £5.90 for a burger.
bloody hell.
Well done. This must be like the picnic area.
Oh, there's the
They've got
Jurassic
no
Journey over there.
umbrellas. Right, let's head towards the Jurassic Journey then.
Yeah.
'Cause we haven't even been, we're not going to get much time in the village, are we?
No,
Oh, look.
no.
Oh, mind you, we'll come back this way, won't we? There's a grey parrot in there.
We'll
but
come
he's
back, won't we?
hiding. We're just looking at the birds, I suppose we'll come
Oh,
back
yeah. Yeah.
past us in a minute. Come! Look at tiny birds. Look, this is tiny birds. Look.
Oh, look, little baby, tiny ones.
Sarah.
Zebra finch.
Finch. Finch sparrow. Ooh.
Yeah.
Flying down over there. There's some stars in one. Look down there, look. You see down? You like him? He's pretty. Oh,
Look at him. He's funny.
Oh, yeah. He's sleeping.
Look at that.
Oh, he's a funny one. He's having a scratch. Can you see the little ones in the bowl over there? There's little ones in a food bowl over there on the
in the
floor.
bowl.
Let's
Look
see.
at that one.
He's going to go and get something to eat. Look, he's going to go and get something.
Look at that one in here.
Oh, he's having a sleep.
It's such a nice place. I don't know
Isn't
how
it?
we never knew about it.
Yeah. I didn't know about it until you said the other week. So where are we
Came
now?
in there, we went all the way round to the owls and we saw the emus. And we were going to go into Jurassic Land. Oh my God, there's loads.
Oh, we did the
There's
dinosaur.
dinosaurs.
We've got to get our skates on.
We did it.
There's no rush.
Dinosaur world. Here we go. And if Bonnie's going to change her mind.
Should we see dinosaurs, honey?
They're not real.